Real estate in New York, in your pre-interview, you say it's so distressed that there are great opportunities. That's not necessarily the way you'd think of things. You think distressed, but that actually creates...
No, this is the great time for opportunities.
If you have cash.
If you have cash. And that's a huge if, just across the board. I think we've been very conservative over the last few years, so we've really shored up our resources. And first and foremost, people are concerned with taking care of any outstanding commitments that they have in place. So since we're satisfied on that front, we can actually look at deals and look to be transactional. There is, for commercial developers, a huge property in that there's a problem in that there's no debt available to finance any of these purchases. So I think we're waiting for that to sort of open up, and then we'll be ready to pounce.
It's got to be cash, though.
It's got to be cash.
How many...
It's a great opportunity for end users as well. You know, for the first time, buyers have leverage in their negotiation with sellers. It's been a long time
It's been
since
a long, yeah, I was going to say. For a long time, it was the one-way street.
What kind of leverage do they have? What kind of things
The
are they
ability
asking
to negotiate purchase price, ultimately.
So, and they have pretty strong power, or they just have a little bit of a taste?
They have a lot. I think there's a bit of a gap between the power they think they have and the power that sellers are willing to release the inventory. So you see a lot of incredibly low-ball offers, especially with condominium, home-type product. And the sellers aren't there yet, but they will.
How much commercial space are you involved with in New York?
We have a lot of commercial space, but we're also fortunate in that it's fully leased. So between 40 Wall Street, between Trump Tower, our flagship, we signed an amazing deal at the height of the market for a full floor in Trump Tower. And so we're, you know, again, I think we're very well positioned to take advantage of great opportunities that are arising.
Is there something looming worse than commercial?
I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. But I think it will get better quickly. I mean, for developers, if you have cash and the debt market comes back, you will just make a killing. Yeah. I think dynastic fortunes will be created in this environment.